Hey, good day. This is the military Guna back with you again. It's been a while. I'm sorry that I've been out this long. Work, all these things happening. But anyways, we're back with content, good content. It's a new season, new things to happen. A lot of great things happening right now. And I can tell you from now, if you want to keep going with those good content and the good things that are happening in the Premier League, just subscribe. Touch the subscribe button right here. The subscription button, yeah, that red button. Just press it and keep your notifications on. So whenever I drop something, you'll hear it. Now, this is game weekend 4. That's how long I've been out for. But anyways, now kicking off the weekend, Crystal Palace versus Chelsea, or Chelsea versus Crystal Palace. Firstly, my prediction is Chelsea is going to win this match 2-1. But it won't be that easy. It will not be that easy. Now, the Chelsea fans are looking forward to this match because Christian Pulisic is back and they're looking to see their main man on the ground again, kicking it, getting it, running. Anyways, there are some players that Chelsea will be fearful of. Those include Wilfred Zaha, Andres Townsend, Eze, that's the new transfer, the new winger that they got just the other day. And they're very good players. And Andre Ayew or Aniyu or whatever you want me. But anyways, I know Roy Hodgson is a senior manager, and he will drill this team into playing against Chelsea and giving them a proper match. And he's a senior manager and he knows how to get the best out of his players. And I know that this will be a very good match, but the quality that the Frank Lampard team possesses, it will naturally overthrow Crystal Palace. Second match is Everton versus Brighton. Now, Everton is sitting at the top of the table with 9 games, 9 wins, with 3 games and 9 points, and massive goal difference because they're scoring quite a few amount of goals. But for this, I will see Everton beating Brighton 4-2. No, it will be a very good match, and I think the way I'm seeing Brighton play since recently, they are very composed. They are playing with a lot of technical ability, positional based football, and Everton is actually a more free flowing football. So I assume that Brighton can get a few goals out of this match. So I think it boils down to the team that can defend better. So I see Carlo Ancelotti will walking away with this one. Possible Everton 4, Brighton 2. So the next match would be Clash of Giants in regards to managers. That's Leeds United versus Manchester City. Now, everyone knows that Marcelo Bielsa is a very good coach and a very extremely technical person and keen to details, even the finer tune of details is keen to it. But as the same as Pep Guardiola. Now, the quality that Pep Guardiola team pose will naturally overthrow 90% of the teams across the world, or even 98. Every team. Manchester City team can beat any team on their best day. But I know that it won't be an easy match because Leeds United will be well drilled, extremely well drilled and prepared for this match. But based off quality, I think Manchester City might prevail from this one, possible 3-1. So now the next match would be Newcastle versus Burnley, and this might be the lamest match for the day. It's going to be lame. We all know none of these two teams can score a goal, so I may presume they can't keep a clean sheet either. So wow. All right, so I say Newcastle 1, Burnley 2. Burnley normally knows Sean Dyche play a very set piece football, so I may assume that they might use that to their ability. So I can see them getting maybe that edge over Steve Bruce's team. So Newcastle 1, Burnley 2. Now moving on to Sunday, which will be October the 4th, when we see the first kickoff, would be a very good match. Leicester City versus West Ham. Now this would be a very good match because Brendan Rodgers knows how to play these small teams, and Leicester City is also one of the teams who are at the top of the table and quite comfortable as well. But the season is at the first stage. Now, David Moyes, he knows these little intricate things in which he can beat the top teams and maybe score on them and then keep it tight. But I think Jamie Vardy is on far too of a good form to not prevail in this one. I see Jamie Vardy probably getting 2 goals. So I'm saying Leicester City 3-1, 3 to West Ham 1. Now moving on to the next match is Southampton, the Saints versus West Brom. West Brom can't keep a clean sheet. They have no defensive structure. And I don't see them getting anything. I cannot see them getting anything out of this match. So I'm going Southampton 3, West Brom 1. Now moving on to the next match, that's Wolves versus Fulham. Same as West Brom, Fulham can't keep a clean sheet. They can't score. They have no defensive structure. They have no pattern of play. And as they concede a goal, I can see all heads being dropped. And you know Wolves is the type of team in which once they get the first goal, they are going for the second, and the third, and the fourth. So I'm going with Wolves 4, West Brom 1. So the next match would be the big match of the day. That's Manchester United versus Tottenham. That's Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Always behind the wheel. Versus Jose Mourinho. Jose. No way, Jose. Anyway, but this would be a very good match. And personally, I would love if Tottenham are my rival, so it'd be hard. Alright. I want a draw. This match this match will end 2-2. Yes. There's one, 2-2. So that's Manchester United 2, Tottenham Hotspur 2. And it's going to be a very good match. Very entertaining. Anyways, so the next match would be Aston Villa versus Liverpool. Oh my word. 4-1. Aston Villa 1, Liverpool 4. Sadio Mane 2 goals. Put him in your fantasy Premier League team. Also Calvert-Lewin. I think Calvert-Lewin might get 2 goals as well. So put Sadio Mane in your fantasy Premier League team. Now moving on to the big match of the day. For me, that is Arsenal versus Sheffield United. Mikel Arteta versus Chris Wilder. Now last season, they came in the Premier League and they had a very astonishing season. Now they have proper defensive structure, a good goalkeeper, and they were playing good football. Their major issue last season was they weren't scoring that much amount of goals. So I think they might if they concede 1 goal, they score 1, but they're not scoring more than 2 or 3 goals, and that was one of their biggest downfall last season. But they played very good football, very good defensive football. Now this season, all that's gone, and I'm looking forward to this match. And I say Mikel Arteta will come to work with this in this match. But anyways, last season we met 3 times. 2 times in the league and 1 time FA Cup match. And they got 4 points off us. Anyway, so the Unai Emery, I'm telling you. But anyways, alright, moving on. Now, they beat us once and they drew us. They beat us the first match and they drew us the second match. Now, the third match that we played in the FA Cup, that was actually the most vital one then, I would say, because that was one of the matches that led us to winning the FA Cup match. So I presume that in my perspective, I wanted that much more. Anyways, either though, winning the Sheffield United games in the league would have gotten us top 4, in which we didn't get, but for this purpose, I'm siding to the FA Cup because we didn't get Champions League football. Anyway, so, but this time around, I think we can overthrow whatever they had over us last season and stamp our authority in this match. So our last 5 fixtures, they have lost 4 and drew only 1, and we have won 4 and lost only 1. Now that one loss was against Liverpool, in which they hammered us 3-1, and then now we came back, beat them in the cup final. But anyways, but by penalties, but doesn't matter. Win is a win. That's how I see it. But anyways, so this is my Score prediction, 3 goals to 1. No, what? They're not going to score. 3-0. 3 goals to 0. That's it. And I'm telling you, this is going to be a very good weekend. I'm looking forward to it. Now, I'll see you guys when the matches are over and I see how well my predictions went. And I will inform you how much points I got from my FPL and see how good we do. And please, comment